Hey, what's up guys? Akila here from mealprep.asia, and this week I made a really simple 5 ingredients lemon butter chicken with pasta and veggies as a meal. Alright guys, this is what you need for this recipe. You do need some lemon. You're gonna slice it up, and you also want it to be as a form of a juice. You also need some butter, some chicken breast. Okay, make sure you skin it and remove its fat. You also need optionally some lemon pepper seasoning. Okay, you don't need this. Okay, if you don't have it, it's fine to completely omit it. So just move on to the next ingredient. You do need some form of a veggie. I've actually used some long beans and chopped it up into about 4 or 5 centimeter length. And last but not least, you need your brown rice pasta. So if you are ready guys, let's get started with this 5 ingredient lemon butter chicken with pasta and veggies. Alright guys, so first things first, you do need to heat a non-stick skillet with the butter. Let it melt for a bit and then place your chicken breast. Okay, I cut it in half to make it like a butterfly shape. Put it on the skillet and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. It will turn really crispy on the outside, which is the best thing about this recipe. Once it's cooked on both sides, remove it from heat, and then using the same skillet, you want to start cooking your veggies. Okay, so I've cooked my long beans. No extra butter to be added at this point. Cook my long beans and I've also put in my pasta. So pasta is cooked. I then put in the lemon juice and then just stir it up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once that is done, okay, it's time to remove your pasta and your veggies aside. And then using the same skillet again, you want to just place your lemon slices into the skillet. I've added a little bit of the remainder of the butter in my little bowl, okay, into this little pot here so that it doesn't stick so much. Okay, but what we want is a little bit of a caramelized brown color on the surface of the lemon. Once that's done, remove that from heat and then put everything else back together. This part, I'll leave it to you if you want to actually mix it up. You want to store it into meal preps or you want to serve it right away. It's up to you, but that easy, guys. Tuning in to this week's recipe video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you do like what you've seen, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on this button right here. I will be back next Thursday with a brand new cheap, fast and nutritiously Asian meal prep video. Thank you so much for your time guys. Have a lovely weekend and I'll see you next week.